Hello, and welcome to our first in a series of videos helping customers understand the ins and outs of managing their IT infrastructure. My name is Rachel, and I will be your guide through this series. The basics of managed services, what they are and how they work. Managed services is a term that is increasingly being used in the world of technology, but what exactly does it mean? Put simply, managed services refer to the outsourcing of specific IT operations to a third-party service provider. The aim is to enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of IT operations while reducing costs and improving service delivery. In this video, we will delve into the basics of managed services, what they are, and how they work. What are managed services? Managed services refer to the practice of outsourcing specific IT operations to a third-party service provider who is responsible for maintaining and managing the IT infrastructure of an organization. The provider takes on the responsibility of managing IT functions such as monitoring, updating, and maintaining hardware and software systems. Managed services providers, MSPs, also provide support to end users, troubleshoot and fix problems, and manage security and compliance requirements. How managed services work. Managed services work by allowing organizations to outsource specific IT functions to a third-party provider. The MSP takes on the responsibility of managing and maintaining the IT infrastructure of the organization, which frees up internal IT staff to focus on other important tasks. The MSP will typically work with the organization to identify the specific IT functions that need to be outsourced. This can include anything from network and server management to data backup and recovery, security, and compliance management. The MSP will then work with the organization to develop a customized service level agreement, SLA, that outlines the specific services that will be provided, as well as the level of support that will be offered. Once the SLA is in place, the MSP will begin to manage and maintain the IT infrastructure of the organization. This includes monitoring systems for issues, updating software and hardware, and providing end-user support. MSP typically use a combination of software tools and human expertise to manage IT infrastructure. These tools allow MSP to remotely monitor and manage systems, often in real time, which enables them to quickly identify and address issues before they become major problems. Benefits of managed services. There are several benefits to using managed services for IT operations. Firstly, managed services allow organizations to focus on their core business objectives while leaving the management of IT infrastructure to the experts. This frees up internal IT staff to focus on other important tasks, such as developing new software and hardware systems, improving IT processes, and supporting end users. Secondly, managed services provide organizations with access to a team of IT experts who have specialized skills and knowledge in specific areas such as security, compliance, and data backup and recovery. This expertise is often not available within an organization, and outsourcing to an MSP can provide a more efficient and cost-effective way to access this expertise. Finally, managed services can help organizations to reduce costs by providing a predictable, fixed cost for IT management and support. This allows organizations to budget for IT operations more effectively and avoids unexpected costs associated with hardware failure or other issues that can arise. Conclusion. Managed services are becoming increasingly popular as organizations look for ways to improve the efficiency and effectiveness of their IT operations while reducing costs. By outsourcing specific IT functions to a third-party provider, organizations can focus on their core business objectives while leaving the management of IT infrastructure to the experts. With access to specialized expertise, predictable costs, and a range of IT management and support services, managed services can help organizations to improve their IT operations and achieve their business goals. Thank you for taking time out of your day to watch our video. I sincerely hope that you were able to get something out of it. Please visit us at www.mycomputerguide.com or call us on 888 425 6085.